Hey everybody, just wanted to give a big shout out to Pete's Cycle for letting me come here and see the new motorcycle that we ordered back in January and got it here in March, the new H2 SX SE. Alright, this is being unpacked here. Alright guys, we're going to have to back up a little bit. How is it that I'm here at Pete's Cycle here in Baltimore unboxing a brand new 26 H2? Well, that's the story I want to kind of bring out to you guys. As you all know, that I have a 2018 ZX14R. And that's what this channel was based on, was the maintenance on the ZX14R and the rideability and the fun of this bike was just beyond. So in October 2026, yep, that's me laying on the ground with 5 broken ribs and a partially collapsed lung. I was taking the curve that I've taken 1,000 times, going the speed limit, and high-sided the motorcycle. Thank God I was wearing my gear, helmet, which I normally wouldn't be doing, but I did this time, and it saved my life. So if I can give you guys any advice, ride with gear. As you can see, that bike was totaled. And I was only going 45 mile an hour. So, this is the reasons why we're going to be changing the channel a little bit to the H2 and running through the maintenance. I'm going to bring you guys along, give me some input, what you like, what you don't like. And again, I can only tell you guys, you take one chance and you're not wearing your gear, you are not probably going to come back from it. Thank God I had that, and thank God I had a lot of people there to help me. So, big shout out to the people there in PA. You're great people. Yep.
Which is FCC Fremont Carriers, and I could probably count on one hand how many times I've had a Kawasaki damage coming in through those guys.
Well, that's good. Let's hopefully this is a 1-for-1 here for you, right?
Find that real quick. You want me to save you a crate clipping?
Yeah, that'd be cool if you want to. Yeah, I appreciate that. That's cool. I'll probably get that framed.
Peekaboo?
Yeah, let's take a look at it. Ooh, baby. Look at that. Yeah. All right. That's cool. Yeah, I'm going to be sending these to Bill. We have a little chat group that we do. And,
Sweet.
yeah, so. Wow. There it is. Wow. Man, that looks beautiful. Love that paint.
It's good to me.
Yeah. That is cool. The only thing I don't like about this thing is this.
Nobody likes that.
I wish they could, you know, it's got the radar in the back, but it's like, God, you can't, no fender delete for that. So.
That's the downside. You can't get rid of it because it has the
Yeah.
the radar.
Yeah, I guess you need the radar. So, All right.
Should we bite this fast?
Yeah. This is so cool. I'll try to blur all your guys' faces out just in case you're wanted by the feds.
Oh, where's Mickey Mouse here?
Yeah, there.
I'm all right. I'm not wanted east of the Mississippi.
That's good. All right, good.
West of the Mississippi.
That's a different story, huh? Wow, look at that bad boy. Yeah, this is nice. Always wondered how they kept it all from tipping over.
Some more than others.
Yeah.
There's some that's they're crazy, but they've done it for so long.
Yeah. That's crazy. And do you bring all those, they ship all that stuff back, right?
Depends on the crates. Depends on the manufacturer. Is this a crate that gets sent back?
No.
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
Some of them do. Some
That'd be a
of them
cost
don't.
savings if you. I'm thinking like manufacturing. It'd be a cost savings. So. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I was kind of worried about this. I got that straight. So that's why I got to take the exhaust off because the pit bull restraint won't work.
That's right.
It's too close.
Oh, it's so damn good.
Yeah.
So good.
That is a gorgeous bike. The color is amazing. Wow.
The rims. I
Yeah.
love that.
Single side swing arm or what?
Well,
or
the single side put like the
the
spokes and then the
yes, the polish. They did that on the ZX11s, the very first ones. I have one of those at
Okay.
home, so it's like they did that.
center
So,
stands on it.
oh yeah, yeah, and I bet you the pad is it got yep, it's got the accessory.
Yeah.
So I needed that for the quad lock that I'm gonna put on there. So my wife's not happy with all the stuff that keeps coming to the house. She goes, "How much shit are you gonna buy?"
It's usually the other way around with the Amazon package.
Yeah, no get 'em. She goes, "You're about done buying shit for that bike." Yeah. Only got a few more things. I'd like to come to you guys' open house, so let me know when your open house is too. So is that in April or something?
Yeah, I just set up the food truck.
Good, good.
So let me see what date I set.
Wow. Did they always? Wow. That's so cool. Look at that bad boy. Yep. So when is it?
April 11th.
Okay, good.
Yep.
I will.
Or the weekend of that, the 10th and the 11th.
Yep. No, I'll probably swing up. Hopefully the weather's nice. I can ride the bike
That's
up.
what we're hoping for.
Yeah.
I got a cool food truck that I work on.
He-
Help out with.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's cool.
It's gonna be there, tacos.
Yeah. Nothing better. Wasn't sure if I was gonna like the gold, but I think I do.
I like it. I like it a lot
So,
more than last year's.
In Europe, they've got the trim piece that's in gold, so I'm gonna order that. I wasn't sure if I wanted the black or gold yet, but it matches.
Yeah.
So. Wow. That's neat. Alright guys, that kind of concludes the unboxing of the 26 H2 SX SE. Big shout out to Pete Cycle. They're not paying me for this, but I'm just letting you guys know. You need a motorcycle, get a hold of Justin Kidd. They did an amazing job from ordering it and getting it in. Wasn't sure if we were going to get it, didn't know where it was at on the boat. Finally got it in, so they did a phenomenal job of getting me all set up. So reach out to Justin Kidd at Pete Cycle in Baltimore, Maryland. Guys, put your comments down below, any suggestions, anything you want to see. We are going to be going through maintenance and the different things that will transpire for a new motorcycle and the different gear that I bought. So I'm looking forward to bringing you guys along. Till next time, peace.